Example 3. Wheel of Spinning and Family Fisticuffs are two popular TV shows. Each show selects 10 contestants to play every week. These are the ages of last week's contestants. We have two lists. We need to find the measures of center. Again, the mean, the median, and the mode. And then write a short comparison. We're not going to say which measure of center is the best this time because we actually kind of have a few things that might maybe look like outliers here, both a 99 and a 12, which means we'll have to do some different further analysis if we want to know a best measure of center for each of those. But for right now, just being able to compare the same two should be okay. So to speed this up a little bit, I have already put these numbers into two lists, stat, edit. L1 is my family fisticuffs, and L2 is my wheel of spinning. If you wanted to, you can actually you should be able to, well, we'll look at that later. To find the mode, it might be a little bit easier to sort them so that you can see any same numbers in a row. So sort L1 in ascending order, stat, sort L2 by ascending order. And now stat edit. We can see with example 3 if we have any modes, anything that shows up more than once. Looks like for the family fisticuffs, no. And for the wheel of spinning, looks like we have some close numbers, but nothing shows up more than once, so there is no mode in either of those. And this is what our straight edge is for. I probably didn't need to draw a line that was quite that long because we only have 3 measures of center that we're going to look at. We're going to look at the mean for each of those, we're going to look at the median for each of those, and we're going to look at the mode for each of those. Now, I am tending to write pretty big here for the videos, just so that it shows up very well. You don't necessarily have to leave nearly as much space as I'm leaving in all of my work right now. But whatever works for you note-wise, whatever is easy-ish for you to capture and lets you understand what you wrote down later is good by me. So we just found that there is no mode in either of these. So for family fisticuffs, stat calc 1 on L1. So our mean at our average age is 37.3 years old. And our median age is 33 and a half years old. We can't compare until we find out more about stat calc 1 on L2. And actually, before we go back here, if I clear out here and go up, this is what the prompt will look like on a TI-83. One variable stats for L2. So let's just do that again really quickly to find that the mean age on wheel of spinning is 30 and a half, and the median age is 30. So now we're just going to compare the measures of center from each group. And the comparisons are really just, are they the same, greater, or less? So family fisticuffs has the greater mean and median, but neither of them has a mode. And remember, because it is a word problem, we're talking about mean and median ages. And if we want to be more specific, get all of the context, Mean and median contestant ages. Neither show has a mode. And that's example 3.